Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Eclipse on Windows 7. Eclipse is an IDE, that is integrated development environment, which is mainly used for Java development. In this demo we will install Java EE version of Eclipse. Here we need to follow two steps. First is download JDK and install it, and second is download Eclipse. To install JDK I am going to Oracle site. Google, just type download JDK. This is the Oracle official site, www.oracle.com. I am opening it. Here it will show a list of Java versions. For this demo we will go for Java 8. So I am clicking on this JDK download. Again, here it is showing different Java 8 versions like Java AC Development Kit 8.161, Java AC Development Kit 8.u.162. We will go for Java AC Development Kit U8162. You can download JDK for any type of system. Here my system is Windows 7, so I will go for Windows. Before downloading any JDK, you should know which is your operating system type. Now to check operating system type, you can go to Start, right click on my computer, go to Properties. Here you can see what is your operating system type. It is showing mine is a 64-bit operating system. So I will go for 64-bit and I will download it. Before downloading, we should accept the license agreement, so I am just accepting it. Again I will click on download. Now it's downloading the JDK. In the meantime we will download Eclipse. Just type here download Eclipse. Go to Eclipse IDE downloads. Here it will show different Eclipse like Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. For this again we need to check what is our operating system type. We just checked it, mine is a 64, so I will go for 64-bit. It will show nearest server, and to download Eclipse just click on download. Now it's downloading Eclipse also. Here you can see it has downloaded JDK 8.u.162 and Eclipse. First we'll install the JDK and just double click on JDK. Now here it is showing me welcome to installation wizard for Java AC Development Kit 8 update 162. Just click on next. Now it's installing JDK 8. Now it is showing Java AC Development Kit 8 update 162/64-bit successfully installed. Just click on close. Now we can see where Java is installed. Go to C, Program Files, Java. Here it will create two folders, one is JDK and one is JRE. Go to JDK, bin. Now JDK 8 is successfully installed. Next step is we have to set this JDK path into system's environment variable. To do this, go to Start, Computer, Properties, go to Advanced System Settings, click on Environment Variables. We have to add JDK path into system variables. Just go to Paths, select it, click on Edit. We have to add JDK path at the last. I am adding semi-comma, and we have to give this complete path. Again I am adding semi-comma, click on OK. Now whether the path is successfully added or not, to check this, open command prompt. Type javac. It's showing me different commands, means JDK path is successfully set. I'm closing this. Now our next step is open Eclipse. We have already downloaded Eclipse. I'm just unzipping it. Go to Eclipse folder and we have to click on eclipse.exe. Here we need to select the workspace. By default it will take C users, then username and Eclipse workspace. Just click on launch. It has opened the default workspace view. Like this you can install JDK and Eclipse. In next video we will see how to write our first Java program. Thanks for watching.